How's it going? This is Eric with Diesel Summit 6.6 behind me doing a review of the Lasfit LA Plus H11s and 9006s LED lights for our 2018 Silverado 3500. So when I say that these lights are bright, you could see in this video with the stock halogen lights on compared to the LA Plus lights from Lasfit. Huge difference on the road. I can't believe the sheer amount of brightness that we got out of this. It's been amazing to have. If you guys want to check these lights out, I have them linked down below. So I highly recommend these things. Please check them out on Lasfit's website. If you guys have any questions or comments, please add them down below. We'd love to start a conversation with you and answer any questions that you guys may have. A huge shout out to Lasfit Autolighting for sending these lights out for a review and install. I can't thank them enough for these lights. I have nothing bad to say about them. They've been amazing. So please check them out and we'll be talking to you guys soon.